Alright, how's it going, YouTube? You can already tell why I'm cheesing, because you can tell by the thumbnail and the title what we got going on in this video. So there's probably going to be a lot of distractions, a lot of people walking in and out, a lot of road noise, because this might be one of the first YouTube videos, probably not one of the first, but definitely customer delivered ones, where we got two of them back to back, same color, very similar spec. So without further ado, I'm gonna play the cinematic stuff, and then we'll get into my quick little simple review of what we got going on with these two. Alright, so I'm gonna start somewhere. My brain is scattered right now because there's two C8s right here, and I've seen them in person. I saw them at the Atlanta Auto Show and things of that nature, but seeing them in person, I got to drive that one from over there to right here, so that was pretty cool. But seeing them in person is a whole different beast. Yeah, this is just an impromptu, no script C8 video. So if you're new, if you want to see all the ins and outs of a C8, and you want a really cool video, there's probably a better one than besides what I got going on. But I'm gonna show you this one first. I really don't even know what I'm doing. These cars are awesome. I usually have a more planned out C8 video, or not C8 video, I can't even talk, a more planned out YouTube video, but not today. I mean, they both have the front lift system, which is pretty cool, and I mean, I guess it's just the first impressions of it, and as you can tell, I can't even talk like a normal human being right now because how good they look. Hopefully my camera will give you some good shots of how they look. So this is Shadow Gray with the silver wheels. This one that comes with the black Trident wheels and the high wing spoiler. He just hasn't put the high wing on, and this one's pretty much suited and booted, ready to go. He has the black wheels with the silver machine finish on the edge, and it has the low wing spoiler. I like the low wing spoiler. It looks good. I think on this color the black wing spoiler will look good. I think on some of the colors the black wing sticks out too much. And honestly, this is one of the best views of the C8 is this one right here, because it's so aggressive. And then another angle that I like that most people won't point out is right here. You get down low on it, and then you can, hopefully you'll be able to tell, you can see how meaty that back tire is. And that's, I know it's kind of nerdy, but it's really got a good stance to it. Even right now, even though they're not, I mean, you could lower these things, put some better wheels on them, and they would look crazy. But I mean, even factory, this car is nice. And then I sat in this one too, I like the open roof feel that it has. The interior is pretty nice on it. I'll hop in this one. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy. So I'm probably gonna get in the other one, but I just want to show this interior. I do like this. I'm a simple guy, especially like the way I like my interiors. I like all black interiors. So this one, he has the GT2 seats. I like the carbon fiber inlay it has right there. It's pretty dope. There's not one piece of plastic inside this interior. Not one piece. So like I said, I'll hop in the other one. Not just this video is gonna be I'm gonna cringe watching this video, so please bear with me. Please bear with me. But we'll hop in the interior real quick of this one because I can get all the gadgets going. Of course, they haven't been over 500 miles, and I'm just gonna start this one up. And I'm pretty sure my camera will be able to capture. Oh my goodness. I turn the AC down. This is one thing I haven't really noticed is the little buttons. I feel like they should have been here on the screen, but then at the same time it's so close to everything else that you have here. But I feel like either there or there, because right here behind the steering wheel is kind of a wow. I just bumped what I was talking about. It's got the carbon fiber right there in the inlay of the dash. Wow. This one has the red stitching, red inserts on the seat. Even look at the carbon fiber there. Wow. I like this little, I know it's stupid, but I like this little button you got there for the glove box. I think that's pretty sweet. Look at the headliner in this one. That's another cool touch I really haven't seen much of lately on these C8 videos everyone's doing. I know everybody's giving the C8 like, oh, it's the best thing ever, but it really is. That's just how impressive this car is. I know most people are gonna say people are hyping it up, or maybe not most people. There will be people out there saying, you know, they're hyping it up, or it's not what people are claiming to be, but it really is. That's the crazy part about it. I mean, like I said, I've seen them, two of them, one at the Atlanta Auto Show and one at another dealership. But seeing it in person and actually getting to touch it a little bit more is pretty impressive. This one also will have the red engine cover. Hasn't been PDI'd yet, so doesn't have that. Like I said, doesn't have the high wing spoiler. But just looking over that LT2 is making some noise out here. And then a lot of people, you got to pay attention. This is a soft close latch, so it latches on its own. But I guess I'm gonna stop the video here because I'm already talking kind of crazy. I just like even look at the dash right here, how you got this airway there, that airway there. The heads-up display is pretty sweet on this thing too. It's pretty impressive that this is simply a Corvette. That's all it is. It's a Corvette that is a supercar. I've said it before. It's a supercar killer. I don't care what you say. I don't care how you spin it. It's really a top-notch car from an American brand that what we needed. Even the detail, like I like it. I'll show it to you on this other car, on the red interior. Because even the detail on something so simple, so minute as a little latch that holds your seatbelt in, red seatbelts. Look at this. It's got a clean little snap buckle that's just premium. Got some good weight to it. It's crazy. Just crazy. It's getting everybody looking at it. Just how good it is. Everybody's coming to check it out. The front lift system, I mean, it makes a big difference. I'm not gonna lift them up, but it makes a big difference. Just crazy. Well, like I said, I'm gonna leave this video here. I think I've rambled on enough. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, you want some cool views, some different views of things that I'm just looking at real quick, here you go. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, give your boy a thumbs up. Everybody have a good day.